Kublaya pi baro at ngapediang snobhai pi syakane ke YouTube channel jonga Aloysius Papang. Parolong baro bat nakapor syakapor ngijuyo sngaw ya kajingkran he teng am bat kajing byrthen teng ka sorkar mikhalia ban kem bat ban pynshitom mardor ya kitu ki briu ki badan kti haki kamti bat shalan dewyong beain hapo kajala Ngiju benaro baya udawyong bon sen ju penyat yau tu shabar kajala da ki hotel ki tok ki dewyong tang hakapor min met wat hadin ba ka National Green Tribunal kala khangdam ya ka jingti dewyong thlukhnai lani kata ka on scientific rat hole mining bala control da ki high level kum kata ka special tribe ka badang mitmai hapo kajala hak Tukan ikas nakhandiat snam kumbala kan tho si sen hapo assembly na ni ying dor pa thawan ka jala da u Dr. Celestine deng do u MLA ringko tinkper ka seng congress sha ka seng NPP ka seng san hima sima ka bala lam khmat ya ka san shar khadar menta hapo ka jala bat ka bala sha kan tho jor haki bapun hadu baki angut ki katong jongka kila syarem kupot hak MP election ka baladam hoi ngiju benaro ikani ka kam shalan be an yu dogyong la julap bon sen daki babon hende ki khana shaphang kata kila support tang harot ki peiding jongkiran paying but ki jingshi sha baro kila sha tablot na marka jing sha pen kubum jubor hakitang kaplia Parlokum kani ka jing batan het teng am ka sorkar ka jia bon sen tang haba pau pathe ki kamti dewyong beain lang ba ki jing jia ki bompoi perkhat ni kita ki accident kum ba patei kan san u bom bol kono ubala bam do isibon ki mensem briu kodor but penmen saw ya ki babon ki nong tre bala par dewyong thlukhnai ki bajujian nakapor syakapor ya ki baka sorkar ka ju persyang ban tab et miau kat baka dangla tang ban darap chon ya ka jing jalai ba ka jing don ki kamti dewyong beain hapo ka jala kan mau parlok kini ki jing ja ki bakum kini ki basnosi ki baman ra ya ka jing Yambriu, but give us no shirkay kimday, kitaki kana puriskam, Henriki jingja, kibla dep bandia, but barok kaperte, but kanutam yanga, but yapikidong shong jokachala, kibla yo ban sakhi, yakitaki dak kiba paushana, the kari, but kapatero barok away. Khlem pep kum kiliki jingja, but shirkay kinang yaija, hakisnem, kiba hadin, ledaka sorkar mikhalia, kashukut tang ha, kajing kren penbit, ba, lengba, utlit, khlem siing, ubajupadia, light load, khlem da perkhan arsin pakum kini ki jingkran khlem perkhan kin karto kala ya ka sorkar hi ha ka jingi dei bar ka jingkran pat ki kam ni ki jingle jo ka sorkar mikhalia la snow dei ban ong pa ka sorkar mikhalia hi bonsen ka ju snow tanan ban shukran but kam jule kumba ka kren never practice what it preaches but la snow dei ro ban pen kala ya ka wei ka jing ong ha ka tien nong wei ka ba ya hab dor bat kani ka jingle jo ka sorkar ka bo ong walk more talk less shaka talk more walk less parlok kum kini ki jingja accident kin namkot lada ka sorkar hi kalong silang khaman bat kam shim khia ban yai bodin yakita ki kam be an bat ban pynshitom kumbadai ka an bat kumbadai hok yakita ki try par dewyong wat hadin baka jala kala sha lang shop khlem ran sa hakawai ka jingja slei ka ba shakai ka balajia hapo ki par dewyong bachaliu hadu lies pa nyu profit haka shnong men ksan ka east jante hill district house nem 8000 khat phra ka bala pen khi wen ya ka ri ba de ka pathai paro ka wai sisen ka sngi da ka jing sha trap ki phemut ki men sembriu hapo ka krem ha ka batang khandiat ngut la yo ban plat em bat bon ngut pat ki la yap bat ki ja ngai no khlem lap din show wat hadin ka jingya wan da ki bnai da ka search and rescue team bat kam ko tang hang ta parlok ka sorkar kala hap ro ban plut san da ki phau klur tangka tang na ka banta ka search and rescue operation tang na ka daw chongki ru ban khain an hanrei kum kani ka jingja kala sha the paja no tang shipor haka bor jong ka pisa but omdon shu batip ni bana ayupan ka sarkar kale ni pynshitom hadin ka jingja bakum kani persha yakita ki try part yong beain ni Pisu ya hab ya ka jingkang tho badang shen jong MP badon buram barim jong ka jala uma Vincent pala bangim dei ban kan no ya ka sarkar habak don kum kini ki jingja namar ka accident kan dei hi ka accident mano bas ngau tho balai uni MP barim ka jala ya da ya ka jing bam le to ka sorkar mikhalia hatu mu uro uria don bantalang hakum kini ki kambe an di perlok ada snapat ya ka jingkren ba ka jing perten to ka sorkar hakapor ba don kum kini ki jingja bat ki pat baru ki hunjrup ban snap ya ka mon ba chwat to ka sorkar ban shem ya ka jingkit kle langba kita ki rai rang ba to ka ban kem bat ban pynshitom no mar dot hi ya baro ki badon kati ban pentrei beain ya ka kamti bat shalan dewyong kabarong persya ya ki kandon an khlem jingma yano ro compare lada dei kita ki menteri sorkar ki badon hakabor ki officer sorkar ki high level kantup ya kita ki kol mafia bat ki weiro ka jingkran he teng am jong ki menteri sorkar ke MDA hakum kenika por bajia ki jingja basngausi ki ju sawa jambha hadin ka jing pau pendring kau bompoi perkhat no ki kam jaklia bat ki kamti dogong pe an haka jala ki bala waira ka ding ka baklang ha ulang ya bat post that shakaleng ka perthei ka bala tip dot ya ki kam pe an bari ki bala jia hapo ka jala be jongi hoi na ka jing pathen kum ki perthan khlem slap haba pau pertheki kam le tu hi katu ka ningut ki he spa bat ki riu don bor snow kum ba ka sorkar kan khang bat pendu pendam no chi sen don ya kita ki kamti bat shalan de yong be an ki blajia hakaleng ki pa de yong ka chala kham tam ha is giant hills district henry snow si pat ban yo I batang shutengen no ki jing snow si batang shurngat no ki ummat na ki khamat jong ki bahyang sam jong ki lanot ja lut ro ki jing kular he tang am ka sorkar namar don shu batip babna actions ki bakumno baka sorkar kal tap sim persya ya kinong penkain an hadokat nungut kinong penkain an ki basim ya kajing im jok ki phungut ki men sim breu ki la sha kem bat sha pynshitom kat kum ki kendon an ha ki po jong ka an hadokat nu ka sorkar kala ban bodin ya ki kam be an khlem shong than ki ba operate hakaleng ki pa de yong be an ka jala hadokat nu ngut ka sorkar ka not ban kem hado menta ya kita ki high level ki ba don kti ha ki kam ti bat shran de yong be an de po ka jala tang ka sorkar hi kabatip ya kijing shisha baro kum kinong shong kajala le si ngim phala pan yo snow biang ya kijing batan teng e ka sorkar jala hakli ka kanti be yadai bat ki kamti de yong be an kandai blut mi biang ki menteri sorkar ban kren shikilat patai kubor hadin ka jingja yap briu bashir khai kablatia haka step santri ku rumpang arjal arpun riu na ka jing patai bom dynamite haka krem de yong kabadan hamman snat thangsko hoi ka jingja ka ba phen na ka jingja shlei ka bashir khai jong ki krem de yong kablatia prasnam manshwa haka shnong manksan hausnam arjal kharpra ha east chandel district hi di perlong hakani ka video ngin yo snow pat ayu bat kumno ki menteri ka sorkar MDA kantum ya menteri rang ba do jong ka jala ukon dat ki sang ma bat anut ki sembot menteri uba press tone ten song bat ba snow bhalang dahar ki don ban kren shen ki pat ba kum ki briu ki badon hakabor bat ki badon ka jingkit khle ka ba khia halor ka khia ka shon ki pat ba bat kumno ki persang ban yada ya ki bor sorkar ki bamla ban let inspect man ka por ya ka jingdon ki jing pentei to ha ki pa de yong bi an bat hadin bat jia bian kum ka ni ka jingjia ka basku shar khai bat ka basku pai dot not ka bala wanra ya ka jingyap chok ki lai pho anut ki man simpriu ki ba kodor ki ba dei ki hong trei bala de yong wala da bon naki kim dei ki trashnong ni ki tra chalaro kani ka jingjia kala tha dot biang satisen shaka perthai ya ka buram ke itot jong ka chala mi khalia ka bami na ka daw jong ka jingle mon bat ka jingshim ka bu jong ki katu ka ni ki riu pen khen an ka chala langba ka jingle sting bat ka jingle shleng khamat ka sorkar yo le si bonaki ki bakum ki ne ki briu ki dei ki bajumalen man pen khen ya ki kandon an ka sorkar bat entity ki dei ki badon pen ban ka jingle dei ka bachan bha bat ki bayat tang kat ro bat ki he sorkar habari na ka banta ka jing man toy shimet ka bawan ra pat ya ka jing rin sdon ya ka platang ka jong ka sorkar na usnam na ka daw ka jing pam yo lum tikna sho ka sorkar ya ka kajna na udogyong bar jor palat ki kamti bat shananto be an ka be ram shadu upot ka sorkar mi khalia kan hab ban kit ka ram shiran jan kumba ka long banta di perlok shwa bengin snap ya ka jing kan ki layot ki menti ka sorkar MDA let's see khap bet man kren hadin ka jing jor palat ka pressure na ki seng sign pathai ki badon ha ka liang persha ka jing shim khia jong ka mi khalia high court alor ka jing ja ndai wat la ka taru so dei ban ong khule shi bon sarkar jala lang ba ka jing shim khia jong phi chief minister ka sarkar ka khandit biang yitna ka jing yo thia ba ha ka ni ka khanti ka shim action ro kham kloi lan kat bala Persha ya ki blue ki barang ti ha ka jing ti bat khai to yo do yong na ka jing yo kam ki port district ki east China hills tang ha po khan yat sngi ya ki samut ki ta ki try par do yong bat ki taru ki tang ki try par ki barit barya na pedeng ki babon bat art tin hero ba ka sarkar kan note man kempat ya ki hespa bat ki high level ki badon kti ban control lut yakani ka kambi an namar yo mi lut ki jing shisha paro ki board district la sizro da ki 1000 metric ton udo yong bala depth say to shalom rangkat ki machine kum ki crane bat ki wei ki bala pantai kambe an da ki try part de yong bat bala de kala de FIR Persharu ya ki riu pen khen an kan men ba ka sarkar kanam shong than ni shong klik ti biang ba rating tang ha padeng ki khen de por but lada ka pen I shisha ya ka thaka board jong ka kum ka sarkar kum ba ka dei ban le se kum ki ni ki jingja bas ngau si kanam ja sho nang ni cha khaman but kan ka jingyap jong ki live ho anwat ki briu ha po ki krem dau yong ki balong pe an kan long ka jing pen kan det thia ya ka sarkar ba kam dei sho ban ai li ni lesting yala ka kam nang ni shakaman.
This incident has happened in a interior location. It's about 25 kilometers from the headquarter. It takes about approximately 3 hours to reach from the headquarter. Very difficult terrain, and it can be only accessed by 4x4 wheel. From the government side, we have asked two of our cabinet ministers, Mr. Lakman Rumbui and Mr. Wailat Mikishela, to go to the district to work their way and reach the site, meet the officials and have a detailed discussion and meeting, and take necessary action which has to be taken. And at the same time, Deputy Chief Minister and myself have been in touch with the district administration, with the departments, with the police, and we have instructed the police to take full action against those who are responsible for whatever has happened today. You are aware that in the state we have already started the process of scientific mining, and at the same time individuals who are involved in any kind of illegal activities, number one, action will be taken. As I said, whoever is responsible for this particular incident, very strict action will be taken. We will not let anybody who's involved in this let go. But at the same time, as I said, that with the starting of scientific mining, it is expected that all our miners will apply for the mining. Now the option is there. These are things that cannot be tolerated anymore. So therefore, we will take action against all those who are involved, and at the same time urge all who are involved in any kind of mining activity that scientific mining is now open, and they should not, I repeat, they should not engage in any more of any kind of illegal activities which endangers life.
See, whatever incidents happen, action is taken. I think you must have seen in the report. We have tried our best. But now again, this incident that has just happened recently, you knew it well. The interior places. I think from the main road, it takes you, even by 4 wheels, it takes you 3.5 to 4 hours. So you know the topography, the challenges that even the police personnel faced. So therefore, as I said to you right now, and especially during the winter season, we are going aggressively after the incident happened. And let me tell you one thing, we will continue to do that, especially during this dry season, to make sure that the illegal activities stop. This is a political issue. So anything you can demand. Sometimes you can demand that President also should resign. So that is there. But let me tell you one thing, we take the whole responsibility to make sure that these illegalities stop immediately. Taki police jogi kilong on the job, ban find out nabar lengba jong kini ki bala sakem ru, kinang ya find out kumno dot kat no ki ek bin bol nang tamano manusu, ya kata nganam laban batai ya menta de ailat yang i nakaliaga police department ba kin find out ya ki jiksha por khoi kat no ki don ki to ki miners la ni ki no ki ba involved by kin ga illegal mining.
This type of incident, yes, is very, very unfortunate. I share my condolences to all the affected family. Please remember now, not the time to play politics. It is high time to be collectively responsible when such accidents occur. Yes, you know very well. Incidents were unfortunate, and yes, government is taking very, very proactive stuff. We have sent all the teams to help there, and roughly till to yesterday, it seemed around 27 bodies has been announced. And now even the SPDC is still on the job for two checks. And the only thing from the government side, we won't spare anybody who are involved. We will take actions against them. It's illegal mining. The illegal people who are involved, they do whatever they want, but actually government is not favoring it. Simple as that. And that is because of these people who do all this illegal thing. Our people have died on the spot, and we are very unfortunate to see all this. And government is very, very proactive, and we will take a necessary step directly to all the involved with this illegal mining.
Paralog Bleshibon Yakapor Chongpis Nova Watlet Ban like, share, comments, but kumjoro ban subscribe Yakadik YouTube channel Jonga Nakamanta QA but ki video.